Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss a tutorial, how to freeze videos in the VN Video Editor app. But before starting, please subscribe to my channel first, and also turn on notifications, so you don't miss the latest videos. Okay, first of all, create a new project in the VN Editor app. Then import the video you want to freeze into it. After that, determine which part of the video you want to freeze. Touch your video clip like this. Then find and use the freeze menu. And yup, in an instant, your video has been successfully frozen. Now, you can set the duration of the part of the video that has been frozen, like this. Follow the steps as before, if you want to freeze other parts of your video. Okay guys? That's the tutorial on how to freeze a video using the VN Video Editor app. Easy, right? I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.